Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of easy, healthy chicken pasta recipes that are not only delicious, but also quick to whip up. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent juggling a million tasks, or just someone who loves good food, these recipes are designed to fit seamlessly into your life. Let's start with the classic, lemon garlic chicken pasta. Imagine tender chicken sautéed to perfection, tossed with whole grain pasta, fresh spinach, and a zesty lemon garlic sauce. It's light, refreshing, and packed with flavor. Plus, it takes just 30 minutes from start to finish. Next up, we have a creamy spinach and chicken pasta. Using Greek yogurt instead of heavy cream, this dish gives you that rich, creamy texture without the extra calories. Add in some sun-dried tomatoes for a burst of flavor, and you've got a meal that feels indulgent, but is actually quite healthy. For those who love a bit of spice, try a spicy chicken and broccoli pasta. With a kick of red pepper flakes and a splash of soy sauce, this dish is a delightful fusion of flavors. The broccoli adds a nice crunch and loads of nutrients, making it a well-rounded meal that's sure to please. And let's not forget about the one-pan chicken pasta. This recipe is a game changer for busy nights. Everything cooks together in one pan, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully while saving you time on cleanup. Just toss in your favorite veggies, some chicken, and pasta, and let it simmer. It's that easy. Remember, cooking should be enjoyable and stress-free. These recipes are not just about nourishment. They're about creating moments in the kitchen that you can share with family and friends. So grab your apron, and let's make some magic happen. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious and healthy meal ideas. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Happy cooking!